Well, hello there, YouTube. It is still February 20th, and got the babies asleep again. I rode the Spider this morning and got the safety inspection, and then actually went and got the sticker to put on it. The guy was picking up not garbage, but recycle this morning, so I had to go up my circle because he was blocking my driveway, which is fine. So today, this afternoon, is a lot warmer now, so I thought I'd go out on the Goldwing. The babies are being really good. They're taking naps. My grandbabies. Not my babies. I'm too old to have kid babies. It's my two 4-month-old grandkids. They're both a boy and a girl. We're blessed. Completely blessed to have two of them. And we're their daycare, which is good. They love it. And we get to spend all that time with our kids. That's why we moved here. That's why we built our house here, because we knew we'd have grandkids, and it happened. And we're here so they don't have to pay daycare, because that can be totally expensive for 2 infants. I mean, I can't even imagine how much that costs. It costs a lot when my kids were little, and they're 34 and 31 now. But I can remember paying daycare for both of them. You know, I can imagine what it is now for 2 babies. Like, probably the whole paycheck of one of them anyway. And they know we love them, so they won't be loved at a daycare, but they're loved at Grandma and Grandpa's house. Going the same direction I was this morning. That place had good burgers, but I make better burgers now, so we don't go there anymore. But they got great catfish. Fantastic catfish that I love. Oh, I haven't ridden this in a little while. I guess it's been a month since I've ridden this. I got to get the air ride suspension fixed, because it's got an air ride that I can raise up the back end, and it's got a leak, so it doesn't stay up. See, I got it at 20, 21, and it's just going to keep going down. I got to get that fixed. See if I can fix it. If I can, I'll take it somewhere, get it fixed. I won't pull a trailer with it unless I have an air ride, which I don't really pull it anymore anyway. I hate to get rid of it. Haven't used it in a couple years, but I hate to get rid of it, because it was such a cool thing to have when we travel. I pull a trailer and we have all of our everything in the trailer, you know, riding gear, just absolutely everything at 20 cubic feet. So that was perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna go straight. Yep, I think he's crapped out. It's finally warmed up now. It's 76 degrees, so now it's warm. I got a mesh jacket on still, just because it's, you know, if I'm out a little while, it could cool off. It's supposed to be. Let's see what the temp is. Info. 67 it says, but it's my phone said 76. It'll warm up. this way. This is the way I used to go when I come up to see the house, the progress, and I'd go home. And I'd always go home this way, so I'd always bypass Dallas, especially when I'm pulling a trailer. Never wanted to pull a trailer through Dallas. So I'd go the back way. 34 all the way to Italy and then 35 south. Much easier ride. So nice. Gotta go back to work tomorrow. I've been off for an entire week and a day. Not looking forward to going back to work. But I work from home, so not terrible. I just go out to my shop. My office is in my shop. I'm not going to kill myself anymore. I only got 3 more years left, so I'm killing myself for 15 years. I'm going to start slowing down a little bit. You can always wait another day. A lot of houses on this road, but this is going to be kind of a busy road though. I got the Hero, I told you this morning, I got the GoPro 11 Black. I'm actually shot in 4K this morning and I'm shooting in 4K now. It shoots actually 5.3K as well, but I want it on Super View, so I have to do 4K. I can shoot a little, I can shoot 2.7K in Hyperview, which is really wide, but this seems to be good enough. Superview seems, Hyperview is like 11 millimeter, Superview might be 14 millimeters, something like that. So now I have a Hero 5 black, 7 black, 9 black, and an 11 black. I gave away my Hero 4 to a little kid down the street. He loves YouTube, so I get him started in YouTube. I don't know if he ever has, but gave him one of my old Hero 4s with all the batteries and CF card. I don't know if they're actually using it or not, but he's a cute little guy. His dad's the one that cleared out my back acre. It's all muddy back there, really flooded with that creek, but it's still muddy. Looked at that house when it came on the market. It's got a beautiful basement that's all solid wood walls and ceilings. It looks really pretty, but it's on this highway. It was on Zillow. It has a pool, but it didn't look all that nice. Thinking about building a pool, but I don't know. For the grandkids, they're only 4 months old now, so I could wait a couple years and decide if I want to build one or not. It would be nice to have a hot tub again, especially when it's cold out. I love getting in the hot tub when it's cold outside. That's the only time I get in it. So I do miss that. Our old house that we sold had a pool and a hot tub. We built it. Stay there, brother. Yeah, okay. I'll talk to you later.